Today we have a new scenario, and to protect the privacy of the actors, we will use different names. Rodney Lindo come in USA on a B1 B2 visa from Haiti. While in USA, he went to do a temporary ID number. That's where she met the customer service Lilian Alabre. Later on, they went on date and set a relationship. During the second trip of Rodney to USA, they both decided to get married. After the marriage, Lilian, who is a US citizen, decided to file a petition for his new husband, Rodney Lindo. I need to warn you, in this scenario, if Rodney had a relationship with Lilian before getting the B1 B2 visa and decided to look for the B1 B2 visa specifically to come in USA and get married to his girlfriend in order to apply for a green card, that would be an illegal actions. Okay? One more thing to keep in mind. It's important for the couple to file every form before the B1 B2 visa of Rodney expired, which means before the 6-month deadline. Once all form has been submitted, it doesn't matter anymore that the B1 visa expired. Rodney will have a legal status uh, with his I-485 that is being processed. But if his visa expired before filing the form, Rodney will need a waiver since he will be considered like an illegal immigrant. To sum up, it's better to file for your relative before the B1 B2 visa expired. So, let's move on. What form do we need to file in this case? What scenario, what information to provide? What document to submit in this specific case? How much are the fee? Can Rodney travel while his I-1 485 is being processed? We will have this answer in the following video. Form to submit. Okay, because Lilian Alabre is a US citizen, she will file the form I-130 together with the form I-485, the adjustment of status. And since Lilian is filing for her spouse, Rodney, we need to file the additional form I-130A as well. The process to get the green card can go from 9 months to 14 months. Since Rodney needs to work while his application is being processed, we can also file the form I-765 for the employment authorization. There is no fee for the employment authorization form when you are filing the form I-130 together with the adjustment of status form I-485. What about the civil document to submit? The main civil document is the marriage certificate between Lilian and Rodney. Get a certified copy at the Registrar of Vital Statistics. Okay? We need also copy of the proof of Lilian US citizenship, like her passport or birth certificate or citizenship certificate. And this is also a key element in this case. Just make a copy. This is proof of citizenship, US citizenship. they both married previously. They got married previously. So we need to submit copy of the divorce certificate for both of them. Okay. We also have to submit Rodney birth certificate, 2 passport photo for Rodney and Lillian. Any picture they took together while they are girlfriend or boyfriend or while they are married, any picture submit, we can submit this as well. If they went on a cruise or honeymoon, we will submit receipt or picture that they went on cruise or honeymoon. If they have any joint ownership like joint bank account, lease, or joint ownership of a land, we will submit this document as well. So in this case, Rodney went to a cruise last December with Lillian. We submit receipt of this trip. It is important to submit the most recent I-94 of Rodney, since Rodney is on a B1, B2 visa. Okay, the I-94, we need to submit that. In fact, any other document that can prove that their relationship is truthful is acceptable. It's acceptable by the officer who will be handling the case. Okay, any other document that can prove that they have a real relationship, okay, you can submit that as well. Remember, we need to translate any document that is we need to translate in English any document that is in a foreign language and get it notarized. Translations, if your document is not in English. In the following video, we will provide all necessary information that we need to put in the form when filing the form that we talked previously. I'm talking about I-130, I-485, I-65. So the following video gonna be a step by step that show you, in this case specifically Rodney on visa in USA. We're gonna file the form step by step, so you're gonna see what information we will be providing for these 3 forms. Okay.